Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to help you with the researching one perspective for your current event project. So remember, for your mini goal for the day, researching one perspective for your current event, you're going to find 2 links, articles, or resources to aid your research. And as you research, you're going to take 3 more bullet points worth of notes that summarize that perspective. Make sure you include the links in your presentation. So if you look at the example, your finished project should look something like this, where you have the perspective at the top, 3 or more bullet points worth of notes that summarize that perspective, and then 2 links to 2 different articles from that perspective right here. All right. So if you're stuck on like what your perspective should look like, if you wanted to do the left and the right, you certainly can, but sometimes the left and the right don't have clear opinions about your specific topic, so it might be easier just to look at your essential question and think about the 2 different ways you could answer that question. So for example, if you did the cryptocurrency topic and your essential question was, can cryptocurrency replace paper currency? You might look up the pros of cryptocurrency and the cons of cryptocurrency. If you were doing, let's go ahead and do the Dr. Seuss books one, should these books be banned? You could take on one perspective of why they should be banned and why they should not be banned. All right, moving down our example list here, I'll get my face out of the way. If you're doing the Minnesota bill in the House of Representatives aimed at legalizing recreational marijuana use, and your essential question was, should Minnesota legalize recreational marijuana use? You could take on the perspectives of why it should be legalized. The other one would be why it should not be legalized. If you were doing the CDC masking guidelines and your question was, should fully vaccinated people stop wearing masks? One perspective would be why fully vaccinated people should stop wearing masks. The other one would be why fully vaccinated people should not stop wearing masks. Okay, so that might be an easier route to go, and you would just go ahead and research these perspectives on Google. Just make sure that you have 2 resources, articles, or links on your research slide. And remember, you're just doing one perspective. Tomorrow, you'll do a different perspective. And you can find your 2 resources or links using allsides.com or a Google search. Either one is just fine, whichever one you are more comfortable with. Just make sure that you take those 3 or more bullet points worth of notes that adequately describe that one perspective.